If you're looking for something cozy, delicious, an amazing treat, and super easy, look no further. This everything skillet cookie is just what you're looking for. And as promised, very, very easy. Start off by whisking together your dry ingredients. It's 2/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour. Half a teaspoon of kosher salt. If you're using fine salt, please use a 1/4 teaspoon. Otherwise, your cookie will be very salty and you'll get mad at me. And I don't want you to be mad at me. I want you to love me, just like I love you. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Those are your dry ingredients. Basically nothing. And if you're an avid baker, I'd say you probably have almost all of these ingredients in your cabinets and your refrigerator right now, so that's another good thing. In my mixer, I have 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter with a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and to that I'm adding a 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. Beat until creamy, which should happen very quickly if your butter is room temperature. Then add 1 large egg and a 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Beat until that is combined, and then you're going to add your dry ingredients. Oh, also, I probably forgot to mention this, have your oven preheated to 350 degrees, because as you can see, I'm almost done making this. So you better have preheated your oven. Beat to combine. And then the promised everything in the everything cookie. It's a cup of chocolate chips. Most recipes say to turn it off the mixer and do this by hand. For some reason, I never do that. A 1/4 cup of sweetened shredded coconut and 2/3 of a cup of the quick cooking oats. Beat to combine. That's your batter. I have a cast iron skillet here. You can use any oven-proof non-stick skillet. I prefer to use cast iron because I think it's a great thing to bake in, but enameled cast iron works. As long as it's oven-proof would also work. Give it one last stir just to make sure that all of the good stuff is evenly distributed, and then just put it into your pan. You don't need to grease your pan. It should be plenty of fat from the cookie, so it shouldn't stick. And then just press it into the pan. You can use an offset spatula. And don't worry too much, it will spread into the corners, but it doesn't need to be perfect. It'll become perfect all on its own. All I really want to do is just eat this batter unbaked. But I am gonna bake it, and it's 350 degrees until it's set. That takes about 20 to 25 minutes. When it's done, guess what? You get to eat it warm. Sometimes I just scoop the ice cream right on top and let it melt into the whole thing, but today I'm going to cut myself 1 slice. It is really fun, and it's a great presentation if you're serving this as a dessert at a party to put the ice cream in it, but then you really do have to serve the entire thing. Otherwise, it kind of ruins most of the cookie. All right, I'm maybe a little hasty, which is why it's falling apart because I didn't let it cool quite enough, but I'm okay with that because it's warm and delicious. Scoop of ice cream. Oh my gosh. This is like so great. This is heaven. Warm chocolate chip cookie with coconut and oats and ice cream. It's everything that you could want in a cookie, and maybe even a little more. If you like recipes like this and you want more, make sure to click like and subscribe because we have plenty more where this came from.